In order to understand the issues that arise in connection with the Prime Hook Natural Wildlife Refuge Dune Restoration Project, it's helpful to understand first where it's at and the conditions that exist giving rise to the project. The Prime Hook National Wildlife Refuge is located along the Delaware Bay coast of the state of Delaware, between the city of Dover to the north-northwest and the city of Lewis to the southeast. The refuge itself can be defined by two particular landmarks. Along the southern edge is Prime Hook Road. This connects from Route 1, the coastal highway, to the community known as Prime Hook Beach, where there are dozens of houses located. Along the northern edge is Fowler's Beach Road. The particular thing at issue in this matter is a natural set of dunes which has existed along the coastline for a significant period of time. Those dunes extended from Fowler Beach Road into and in front of, that is between the houses and the bay, of the Prime Hook Beach community. The problem arose because in late 1999, the dunes were breached by a nor'easter storm. That breach allowed salt water from the Delaware Bay to be able to enter into freshwater impoundments that had been built by the Fish and Wildlife Service in the late 1980s. Over time, that breach widened so that more and more salt water could enter. Although it is not shown on this Google Earth image, in fact, at times of high tide or storms, significant portions of this area to the west of the natural dune line would in fact flood, even so far as to flood yards and sometimes some of the buildings in the Prime Hook Beach community. The goal of the Dune Restoration Project was to take sand currently existing in and around the breach and pushing it so as to recreate the dune line. The concern from the environmental perspective was that that sand movement might injure or damage certain species that use the beach area. Fish and Wildlife and the Prime Hook Beach community hoped that by reestablishing the dune line, water would no longer be able to enter at high tide, so that hopefully the impoundments would be restored to a freshwater status and flooding of the community and other areas around the refuge would no longer take place.